Now, the next tool that we're going to learn is called as the yes-no pattern. Now that you have created a way forward for yourself, let us make it stronger. Okay. Now, the first thing you will do is to identify some things that you naturally say no to and some things that you naturally say yes to. So, for example, when I did parts integration for eating snacks with tea, I wanted to give that up. I anchored no to, for me, cheating, smoking, and becoming obese. These three things are no. I mean, I can't ever imagine doing these things. I can't, that's an absolute no for me to cheat or be cheated. I will never tolerate cheating in any way. I hate smoking from the depths of my heart, and obesity, right? I don't ever want to be obese. So there are some things everybody is naturally saying no to. Do you all also have some things that you naturally say no to? Things that are like disgusting, you're like, no, I can't do that. That's not for me. How many of you have things like that you can think of? Like for some people, maybe dressing up in a revealing way. Oh, no way. Extramarital affair. Oh, no, that's not for me. I'm never going to do it. Does it make sense? So everyone has some, based on their values or whatever reason, maybe Karela juice. No, I don't know. Okay. There are some things which you will naturally say no to. Okay. And there are some things which you'll naturally say yes to. For example, for me, it is, so I did, like I said, I did this process on myself yesterday to become clear of how I'll do it to you, right? So for me, it's vacations. So the moment I say vacation, I'm like, yes. Like, no, it's like that from inside vacation. I feel those bubbles coming up when I think of vacations in my stomach. And it's like just any day somebody says vacation, I'm going to hop like a puppy and I'm going to go. Okay. So it's like, that's how much I love vacations. Training is something else that just, I mean, just make me stand in front of people or, sit in front of people right now. I feel that instant spark. I feel so good about it. Training is a definite yes at any time. I'm making a difference to people. That's my life's purpose. So that's again a yes. So I want you to identify 3 things that you naturally say no to and 3 things you naturally say yes to. It can be anything. Okay. It can be absolutely anything. It can be a food. It can be a habit. It can be doing something. It can be a person. It can be whenever I see my puppy, I'm like, yes. Or whenever I see my child's face, I say yes. So identify that on your book and then we'll continue. Done? Okay. So how are you going to do this? The first step will be to anchor an action to the no's and the yeses. Okay. So let me show you. When I did it myself, I was like, what action do I feel like making when it's a no? So for example, when I say cheating, if I close my eyes, I'm like, no. With one hand, I'm going to make the action of no. Okay. So for me, no is like this. It's not no. That doesn't feel natural to me. To me, natural is no. Smoking, no. Obesity, no. Cheating, no. Does it make sense? And with that expression of actually feeling no, it's not for me. I don't want it. No. Makes sense? So for you, no can be another action. You can do whatever action you choose. Okay. For me, no was like this. Then yes. When I think of yes and I think of these things, vacations and training and making a difference, how would I say yes? For me, yes is yes. It's like not a very harsh one. This is a gentle one. Yes. Training, yes. Vacations, yes. Making a difference, yes. So this is the action that feels right for me unconsciously. Yes and no, and yes. I want you to say out loud the things that you want to say no to, and I want you to say no. For example, let me show you all and then you will do it. Okay. Cheating, no. Smoking, no. Obesity, no. Cheating, and you do it many times. Cheating, no. If you want, close your eyes. Smoking, no. Obesity, no. Why are you doing this? You're anchoring this movement with that feeling of no. You'll understand? You're anchoring this movement with the feeling of no. Okay. So I'll say cheating, no. Smoking, no. Obesity, no. And I'll do it several times for about a minute. I'll keep going. Cheating, no. Obesity, no. Smoking, no. Okay. And then we'll move on to the yes and we'll say vacations, yes. Training, yes. Making a difference, yes. Vacations, yes. Training, yes. Making a difference, yes. Okay. Till this action gets anchored to no and this action gets anchored to the feeling of yes. Okay. Are you ready? So since I'm not working one-on-one, I'm working with a lot of people. So you keep yourself on mute and say out loud what you want, what is a no for you, and make your no action. Okay, get ready. And each one of those cheating, smoking, three things, those three things, you have to say it out several times and make the no action several times. So we're going to take about half a minute for you to anchor your no to the no things. Okay, go ahead. Any action that you want to make for no. Don't switch off your videos. Okay, let others see. Okay, there's no secret in the no action. Okay, go ahead, everybody. And feel it, feel it. Make that action and feel it. No for you. Absolutely. Good, Pratay. Good, Shilpa. Very nice. Yes, Pallavi. No. Make an action. What would you make an action? Say that thing and say no. No. Come on, everybody. No. Say no. Say no to it. And anchor that feeling with that movement again and again, again and again, again and again. That's right. No, no. So no. Again and again. Say no, no. Say that word and say no, no. Feel it, feel it. Feel that no. How does something you don't like feel like? No. Say that again. Say it louder. No, no, no. Make that action and say no, no. Cheating, no. Whatever it is for you, say no to it and make that action again and again. Get that feeling of disgust or not liking it or anger or whatever you feel towards it and say no, 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 again and again. That's right. Very good. You're doing a good job. No, no, no. Anchor it till you make that movement and you should feel that feeling of no. You should feel that feeling of no. Very nice. Keep saying it. Keep saying it. Another few seconds, everybody. Keep saying no, that's not for me. No. Very nice. Okay. Take a deep breath. All right, so now we are going to move on to the yes, but before we move on to the yes, we will do our good morning yawns. Okay, what's a good morning yawn? Oh, come on, everybody. Give me a good morning yawn. Oh, make noises. What happened to the noises? I'm the only one doing it. Unmute yourself and yeah, because you're muted, you are taking the liberty and really making sounds there. I can see. Now we move on to the yeses. Okay, so another half a minute to anchor your yes. So say the word and say yes in your way. Okay, come on, everyone.
Yes,
Volunteer for spreading love. Yes.
Traveling, trekking,
Yes.
excitement, adventure sport,
Decision making.
another
Traveling.
Yes.
Yes.
being
Yes.
grateful.
Yes.
Healthy food,
Very nice.
travel
Yes.
Bye.
to yoga with
Yes.
Celebrating other
Yes.
exciting
Healthy
meals.
That's
relationship.
right.
Yes.
grateful,
Travel to
That's right.
taking other
Yes.
things,
yes.
taking other
Yes.
Counseling.
Travel to
Yes.
healthy
Decision
food.
making.
having
Yes.
What is the
To
difference in
travel
the life of people?
Awesome. Keep going. Yes. Say the yes louder. Louder yeses.
traveling,
Yes.
Yes.
traveling,
Yes.
The relationship.
Yes.
excitement,
Yes.
adventures,
Yes.
taking other things,
Yes.
excitement,
Yes.
Decision
Few
making.
more seconds. Yes.
Difference in
taking other
Yes.
things.
what
Yes.
is mental,
Get up in the morning.
family
Go to
life.
go.
Yes, for healthy relationship.
Grateful,
Awesome.
Yes, yes, for counseling. Yes, for decision making.
Very nice.
Expectation. For independence
Yes, for being
growth
fit.
from it.
So now what you have done is you have anchored no to a certain action and yes to a certain action within your body. Next, you're going to identify four things you want to say no to henceforth to be able to accomplish that path of yours. You decided a certain way of being, right? You decided this is what I need to do now, or this is how I need to be. For you to accomplish that, or for you to accomplish be any way you want to be, four things you're going to say no to henceforth, and four things you're going to say yes to henceforth. For example, for me, saying no to eating snacks with tea, saying no to getting up late, saying no to watching TV. Okay, you get it? Saying yes to hour of power every day, saying yes to we're going to office and working, not working from home. So what are those things you're going to say no to naturally henceforth, and what are you going to say yes to henceforth? Write that down and then we will do a process. Okay, is everybody done? All right, awesome. So what we will do now, you're going to now take the time and say these things and do that action. Okay. So for example, junk food, no. I don't know, for some people, maybe getting angry, no. Being lazy, no. Overeating, no. Okay. And yes, what are the things that you're going to do? Yes. Exercise every day. Yes. So all those things that you want to start doing or you want to strengthen. We'll take the time now for the nose first, to begin with the nose. Okay. So everybody put yourself on mute and say aloud what you're going to say no to, and make that action and make it really strong within your body. Like no, the no needs to be really strong. Say the thing, say no again and again and again. We'll go on for half a minute continuously. Okay. Get started, everybody. That's right. Very nice. Keep going. No. Say that no strongly. Say no to that thing. Yes, make that action. No. That's right.
Overeating, no.
No, that's right. No.
Judging, no. Procrastinating, no. Overeating, no.
That's right. No. Go stronger. No.
No shopping.
Got that, Andrea? Say no. Okay, so shopping, no. All right. Stronger, everybody. Don't just get into that mode, and you have to really anchor that. No. Again and again. Come on, do it stronger. Feel that within you. Think of that thing and say no. Think of that thing and say no. Think of that thing and say no. No. That's right. Absolutely. Awesome. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. All the 4 things. Say no to all of them. Say no. Say it out loud and say no. Very nice. Okay. All right. So now that you have anchored the no, all right, time to move on to the yeses now. Okay. Do some more stretches, shoulder rolls. Deep breath out. Shake. Nobody can shake better than an NLPer. Okay, now it's time to move on to the yeses. Okay, so another half a minute for anchoring your yes. Say what you want to start. Yes. Exercising. Yes. Working from office. Yes. Being energetic. Yes. Come on, everybody. Yes. Loudly. Louder. Say it louder. Yes. Use that action. Feel that yes within you. Feel that real yes within you. That is right. Feel it within yourself. Feel that strength of that yes. Feel that happiness that comes with that yes. Feel that joy that comes with that yes. Say yes. Say that and say yes. Come on, everybody. Neetu, Deepika, feel that yes. You need to feel it. Smile with it. It's a yes for you. That is right. Very nice. Keep going. Yes. Repeatedly take those names and say yes. Yes to this. Yes to this. Yes to this. Say yes. That's right. That is right. Awesome. Okay, let's give everybody a round of applause for that. This is how you do the yes, no pattern. It feels so strongly when you say no to something. It's difficult for you to do it after that. Okay. So it does a very strong conditioning for you to not do certain behaviors and for you to start doing certain behaviors. And also, henceforth, whenever you do it, you catch yourself doing something you said no to, you are going to mentally make that action. If you're alone, you can make that action and say, no, I'm not going to this. No. Okay. And if you're with somebody and you can't do it, then you figure out a subtle option of how will you do it. Same no and yes. How will you do it if you are with somebody? Okay. So for example, mine is going to be a very gentle no. And okay. And I'm sure now that you've done it, it's going to be a lot more easier for you to stick to your decision and to be more creative and to start taking action.